Hello, South Lebanon families. I hope this newsletter finds you all well after a relaxing Thanksgiving vacation. I also want to thank all the families within the South Lebanon community for your patience and understanding as we progress through a year like no other. I'm proud and thankful that we have been able to continue to provide a quality education to all the students at South Lebanon, despite the challenges we've faced. We've been able to continue to provide the education, whether it be virtual to those families who have chosen a virtual education or in person for those families who have chosen to continue to come to school. Our plan is to continue to provide in-person education to our students, and we will remain open as long as we are following the guidance of the Department of Health. I do ask that in order for us to remain open, that we continue to work together, and I ask for your assistance in ensuring that you review the importance of wearing a mask properly and social distancing with your child. Oftentimes we go into classrooms and the mask will sometimes slide down below the child's nose. Please emphasize with your child that it is important to wear the mask with the nose and mouth covered at all times to help mitigate the spread of COVID-19. We ask that you continue to follow the recommendations set forth by the Department of Health. And please, if your child is feeling ill, please keep them home so that we can continue to keep our school community safe and unaffected by viruses, whether it be COVID-19 or any other virus that tends to crop up during the winter months. I truly believe that with continued partnership with our community, that we will continue to thrive as a school. Our success has been only because of the cooperation of the families in which we serve. I do want to address the notifications that you received prior to Thanksgiving. I do realize that you've received quite a few COVID-19 notifications prior to Thanksgiving, and I think it's important to address those and emphasize that these cases were all from different classrooms and areas of the building and were not related to one another. I think that's important to note because at this point there's no link to the spreading of our COVID cases within our school. In most cases, I want you to know that the persons that were diagnosed with COVID were already out of school because they were quarantined as a close contact to someone else. If we are notified and the student or staff member is in school and we're notified that they have a positive case, they're immediately removed and put into a quarantine room that we have set aside, and a deep cleaning is put into place, and we have protocols in place for that. But to date, the majority of our COVID cases have been situations where the students or staff members were already out of school and would not have been in school during their contagious period. Again, I feel like that's important for our families to know, and I feel like it should give you some peace of mind that while we're reporting these cases, the reason that we're reporting them is because we want to be open and upfront, and we're also reporting all of these cases to the Department of Health as they're reported to us. We are diligently working to follow all the rules and regulations set forth by the Department of Health, and we are successful in our mitigation strategies here in school. In closing, I just want to take a minute to, again, thank you. I want to take a minute to wish you all a safe and happy holiday season, and I hope that we can continue to work in partnership to have a safe, successful 2021 school year and continue to keep our doors open.